Long ago in the universe of Arcane, there existed a small group of warriors filled with ambition. They became known as the Lords of War. But as the seas changed, their names were lost to the tides of time. Today, will they reclaim the strength that the world has forgotten? Or will they let it just crumble as they fight for the honors of the warrior strength, entrusting Nivs to carry the weight of the warlords when competing in Julian's Tournament?